Okay, Jeff, I'd like to spend a little bit of time talking about software upgrades and how we make that happen on the system. So let's start from the very beginning on how we even get the software upgrades out to the customer.
The software for the 2KE comes on a token like this. This token contains the software for all three modules you need to upgrade, which is the display module,
Okay.
and then the USB and the fluid control module inside the box.
Okay, so three things need to be upgraded with the same token.
Yep,
Okay.
and you can either buy this token by itself if you want to just upgrade your software, or
Okay.
you can buy a kit, any one of the modules plus a token.
Plus a token. Because if I'm upgrading one of the modules, they may not communicate with the old one, so I have to upgrade everything every time I replace a module.
That's correct.
Okay.
So let's go ahead and get the display out of the way, and then take the cover off.
Okay.
You can see here, we talked about these before, but the fluid control module here and the USB and the display are the three items that we need to upgrade software.
Okay.
So we're going to start with the fluid control module.
All right.
And depending upon the sequence of events that you go through, there may be an alarm due to some communication problems until you get everything updated.
Sure, because you may have one version of software here and one here, and they don't communicate, you'll get a fault.
Correct.
Okay.
So there's a door that usually comes on the module down here. We've removed that already.
Okay.
So you go ahead and pull that off.
Okay.
I'm going to hand you the display to hold
Sounds
on
good.
to.
Now, when we do this, should we be powering the system down?
Yep.
Okay.
That's a good point. So we're going to power the system down.
Okay.
Then we're going to take the token and we're going to slide it up. And there's a little slot on the board in here
Okay.
that this should slide into. And you're going to push it in. And then as soon as you have that in place, you can go ahead and turn the power on. And you'll notice there's some LEDs on the side of the module here. When you're upgrading the software, you're going to see a red LED come on the side of the fluid control. Once that red LED goes away and you're blinking with an orange one, you know the software upgrade is complete.
Okay.
So we're done with this now. We're going to go ahead and power it back down, take our token out and move on to the next module.
Okay.
We'll start with the USB module here. We'll plug it in to the side and again turn the power back on to start the software upgrade. Again on the USB, when you remove the door on the side here, there is a flashing red light that will go solid when you're doing an upgrade.
Okay.
As soon as that light starts flashing again, you know your upgrade is complete.
Okay.
So you can go ahead and power it down, and pull your token out.
Okay.
And now on the display module, there's a little door on the back that we usually have 4 screws here. We go ahead and remove this. And on the side here is where you slide your token into. So you go ahead and push the token in to the side of the board, just like all the other modules. Turn your power on again, and the display will light up. And as soon as this screen goes away and you come up to the first run screen, you know that your software upgrade is taken.
So it's just going through the boot up, and as soon as you get the display screen, you're done.
Yep.
Okay.
So we have that now.
Okay.
So we're ready to go. So we're going to power it down one more time, remove the token, and you can go ahead and put your modules all back together and you should be ready to go.
Okay, so one quick question. This is a non-IS system.
Yep.
All right, so we just walk through everything. In an IS system, is there any difference, or is it all the same?
The one difference is you want to remove the system from the hazardous location because doing a software upgrade is not intrinsically safe.
Okay.
So you either need to clear the area or pull the system out to upgrade the software.
Okay.
And put it back in when you're done.
All right, very good. Thanks, Jeff.
Thanks.